Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free pie crust. So let's get started. First, in a medium bowl, add in the brown rice flour, sweet rice flour. Try and use super fine rice flour so it doesn't have a gritty texture. It really makes a difference to the crust. I'll put a link to the ones I'm using in the description box. They are a bit pricey, but definitely worth it. Potato starch, not potato flour, they're not the same thing. Tapioca flour, also known as tapioca starch. Xanthan gum. Sugar. And salt. And whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold butter that's cut into small cubes. And rub and press the butter into the flour mixture using your fingers until it's coarse and crumbly, but not too fine. Then place it into the freezer so it stays really cold. After about 10 minutes, remove it from the freezer and add in the egg and lemon juice. Mix them in to combine the ingredients. Then use your hands to bring it together into a ball. And if it's too dry, add in more lemon juice or water, a little at a time, just until it forms a ball. You can always add more if it's too dry. If it's too wet, you can't remove it. Once it forms a ball, wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for 15 minutes or until you're ready to use it. When you're ready to use it, remove it from the fridge and place it onto a sheet of parchment paper. Place another sheet on top of it and roll it out until it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Try and make it as thin as you can. If you're having trouble getting the middle nice and thin, then press the rolling pin on top of it and rock it back and forth. Then roll it out. Once it's nice and thin, remove the top sheet of parchment paper and place the crust into an ungreased 9-inch pie pan. And peel off the parchment paper. If the crust is really sticking to it, it means the crust is not cold enough. So place the crust back into the fridge for a few minutes so it firms up, and it should come off the parchment paper very easily. Then lift and lower the crust so it fits the pan. And trim off the excess from the edges. And your crust is ready to be made into pie. Most pie fillings are naturally gluten-free as long as they're not thickened with flour. Keep the crust stored in the fridge until you're ready to use it. And that's how to make a gluten-free pie crust. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.